Before buying gold spray paint, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1. Rust-Oleum Painters Touch 2X. Rust-Oleum Painters Touch 2X Ultra Cover Spray Paint in Gloss Golden Sunset truly stands out. At just $6.98, this affordable option caught my eye with its promise of fast-drying and durable results. If you want a reliable spray paint for both indoor and outdoor surfaces, this one is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's oil-based and resists chips, which means your projects will last longer without unsightly damage. It covers around 12 square feet, so you can tackle decent-sized projects without worrying about running out. Plus, it dries to the touch in just 20 minutes, so you're not stuck waiting hours to move on to the next step. Now, some people complained about the spray nozzle not being as precise as they prefer. Here's the thing though, if you're doing larger areas or want a distressed look, that might not be a deal breaker. But if you're working on intricate details, it could be frustrating. This is perfect for you if you're tackling outdoor furniture or home decor. Skip this one if you need super fine detail work. At this price, it's a solid value for what you get. Now, if the nozzle issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2. Rust-Oleum Stops Rust Bright Coat. Next up is the Rust-Oleum Stops Rust Bright Coat Metallic Spray Paint in Gold, priced at $6.47. It's a fantastic choice if you're looking for a shiny finish on metal or wood projects. If you want a paint that not only looks good, but also lasts, this is worth considering. This spray paint boasts excellent chip resistance and color retention, which means your projects will maintain that beautiful gold hue over time. It covers about 6 square feet and dries to the touch in 60 minutes, so you won't be waiting around too long. In fact, it's perfect for adding a touch of elegance to accent pieces in your home. Now, some users pointed out that it can take a bit longer to dry completely when used on thicker applications. Here's the thing. If you're patient and apply it in light coats, you should be fine. But if you're in a rush, that might slow you down a bit. This is great for anyone who loves DIY home decor projects. Skip this one if you need something that dries instantly and can't wait for a second coat. For the quality and finish, it's definitely worth the investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for larger projects. Product number 3. Krylon K05588007 Solarmax. Krylon's K05588007 Solarmax spray paint and primer is up next, and it's priced at $9.99. This one caught my attention because it combines both paint and primer, making it a time saver. If you want something easy to use for indoor and outdoor applications, take a look at this. The key feature here is its coverage. It can cover up to 25 square feet, which is impressive. That means fewer cans to buy and less effort on your part. Plus, it has a metallic gold finish that adds a nice shine to your projects, whether it's furniture or crafts. However, some reviews mention that it can sometimes come out uneven if not shaken properly. I'll be real with you. If you're not careful with your application, you might end up with streaks. But as long as you follow the instructions, it shouldn't be a big issue. This is perfect for those who want a simple, all-in-one solution for larger projects. Skip this one if you need a very specific color or finish. For the convenience, it's a solid choice. Now, if you're looking for something more focused on decorative use, the next option might just be the perfect fit. Product number 4. Rust-Oleum Stops Rust Bright Coat 2-Pack. Next is another winner from Rust-Oleum, the Stops Rust Bright Coat Metallic Spray Paint, but this time it's a 2-pack priced at $12.94. If you want to tackle multiple projects or just love the idea of having a spare can, this option is a smart buy. Like the earlier Rust-Oleum spray, it covers about 6 square feet and dries in 60 minutes. The chip resistance and color retention are still top-notch, ensuring that your items look gorgeous even after some wear and tear. It's ideal for any interior accent pieces you want to shine. But some users did mention that the finish can fade slightly over time when exposed to direct sunlight. Here's the thing. If you're using it for indoor projects or shaded areas, you shouldn't have an issue. Just be mindful if it's going outside. This is great for anyone who wants to enhance their decor with a consistent color. Skip this if you're planning to paint outdoor items in direct sunlight. For the quality you get, I think it's a good value. Alright, that was a great option. But if you're specifically looking for something to add a decorative touch, the next product is perfect for that. Product number 5, Rust-Oleum Metallic Gold Spray Paint. Finally, we have the Rust-Oleum Metallic Gold Spray Paint, which is priced at $7.43. This option is fantastic for decorative home projects. If you're into crafts or want to give a fresh look to frames and candle holders, definitely give this one a shot. This spray paint contains actual metal flakes, which creates a rich, reflective finish that's absolutely stunning on interior surfaces. It covers up to 12 square feet and dries the touch in just 15 minutes, which is perfect for speedy projects. The fact that it's designed primarily for decorative use means you'll get that high-end look without breaking the bank. However, it's important to note that some users have said it doesn't hold up well with a clear top coat, as it can dull the shine. Here's the deal. If you're using it for decor that won't be handled much, you should be good to go. Just avoid putting a top coat on it. This is perfect for anyone looking to add a touch of glam to their home decor. Skip this if you're after a paint that needs to be super durable for outdoor use. It's a fantastic value for the look it delivers. So, to wrap it up, you've got a variety of options. Rust-Oleum Painter's Touch for overall reliability, the Stops Rust Bright Coat for elegance, Krylon Silver Max for convenience, another Stops Rust option for quantity, and finally, Rust-Oleum Metallic Gold for that decorative flair. Each spray paint has its strengths, so pick what fits your project best.